Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. So, welcome everyone in this live trading session of crypto trading. So, let me share my screen first, and hopefully, I'm audible, right? Okay, now, um, oh, it's visible, right? Just give me a second, guys. Um, okay, I'm sorry, guys, got a call. Okay, so let me set the context of the video first. So, this is the session where I come live daily on the daily basis and I punch trade in this demo trading application. I mainly punch trades in BTC or Sol. So why I'm not punching the trades in the real trading application, real brokers, because right now I am also in learning phase. And in learning phase, I don't want to commit mistakes in the real trading, which will penalize me with the real money. So in practice session or in a training phase, uh, you have to find some kind of dashboard or some kind of platform where you can punch trades in the real time with the real market and analyze whether you are correct or not. So this is why as a guys, I am a full-time software engineer. That's why I developed this application on my own for myself. And if I find that I need this kind of application, I there might be people who also want the similar kind of applications. That's why I made this public. Now uh, now you may ask, what's the difference between your demo trading application and all the brokers that also provide the demo trading application? Well, I'm not forcing you guys to stay on this application. No, you can you are free to sign up in the different brokers, because their primary task is to trade you in the real money with the real money, and their demo trading application is just as a byproduct. And they don't give that much of attention on the trading demo trading application options. So I thought that I need this kind of dedicated application for demo trading, which will track your progress as well. Whatever you're punching the trades, it will. You have to analyze what mistakes you are committing. Okay, if you are not committing any mistake, then how well you are going in your training journey, right? Right. Then you need some kind of platform which will track your progress. So I developed this kind of application which tracks my progress, that how I'm performing day by day, how I'm going to deal with this trading journey. So what I did is this is a little bit of insights that what so today I haven't punched any trade yet, so that's why it's zero. Overall it will show me that I have punched around 57 trades as of now, and in 19 trades I am profitable, and 38 trades I am in loss. So my overall loss is hundred $1,000, around $1,000, and my best trade is $512. My worst trade is $306. So you can analyze that even though I have committed 19 profitable trades out of 38, like that is 33%, one by three. Now, uh, but my loss is not that huge. It is still in the in my zone, that I can recover loss by gradually by doing a trade, because I'm taking stop losses very minimal. So that's why that's exactly what I'm training my mind to trade. And you can see my order history as well. My my profits are big and my losses are very small, like $90, 20, 45, 70. These are my losses, and I have punched profits in the see my profits. These are my profits, and these are my losses. So I try to commit less mistakes, and try to if I find that myself that I have punched the wrong trade, I am in the wrong direction, I easily square off that position, because I don't want to make that huge loss. Because if I commit huge loss on the regular basis, then it will get accumulated, and I will never be able to recover that loss. It will take me too much time to recover that loss. So you can also try this application on your own, and let me show you one more interesting feature of this application. So this is the notes section, where whenever you are punching any trades, you can write your notes also. So apart from notes, there is a screenshot of this particular trade that I punched. So whenever you enable this flag, this chart screenshot, whenever you punch this, uh, whenever you enable this flag, then right now I off this trade. Then you can then you can just see that how your whatever the chart is going to represent is screenshotted, is is freezed for you, right? And you can write your notes as well, so that you can come back whenever you want. And just by seeing these blue icons, because these orange icons mean that it doesn't have any screenshots or notes, but the blue icons no says that you have a screenshot as well as notes. So I will definitely uh, put down the color code of here also, so that it is easy for you to go through this application. You can add funds, but this is now not in action, because if adding fund is so easy, then you can add anytime. So that's why I just uh, made this feature, but it is not in use, because if I do it, so then it will have uh, it will give you some kind of this error warning. This feature exists for paid users, although like this is not exists for paid users as well, but this is just uh, as of it is there only. So one more thing that I have to ping you right now. I have this these features are like taking the screenshot, because right now I'm using the trading view, which is a trading view chart, which is basically a free trading view chart. So whenever I try to make because when whatever I'm doing, for example, if I do this trend line and any drawing in this chart, and once I refresh it, then all my changes were lost. So so that means uh, that because why my changes are lost, because I am using the free version of trading view. And in this free version also, so you will get by default this volume chart and moving average chart as well. So if I use the paid version, then definitely I have to pay TradingView some amount of money, And that's why, just to make make the zero sum, like what I am paying, I have to charge you guys a little bit. This is not like that I'm charging you guys a huge amount. No, not at all. Because I know that you guys can give way more than this amount in your brokerage only. I'm not talking about any losses or profits. I'm talking about more than this amount you can give in the single brokerage only. So in a single brokerage, yeah, and I will charge you by monthly basis, because whatever I'm expending, I will charge you that only. I'm not so that I can also sustain this application in the long run. And my prices are, right now I have purchased this advanced plan. So this is advanced plan. So we have two plans. The first is free, that when you sign up you will get $100,000 of money. And second is the pro plan and the advanced plan. So you can subscribe either of them. And see, the prices basically, it is less than your one time meal of the day. So a monthly charge is very less, like you can get all the features. And in advance you will get some more extensions. That's it. And definitely I will charge my foreigner friends a bit more, because they can sustain this kind of amount of money. But in India, uh, this is for you guys only, like for Indians only. This is very less, because I am charging almost 10 times to my foreigners friend, because they can afford it. But for my Indian friends, I know that I'm not saying that you can't afford it, you can also afford it, but I am making this very sustainable for you guys. Okay, so I have advanced plan, and in advanced plan you can see the number of trades I can take in a month is 500. So 500 is a big amount. Like, you if you punch around 20 trades or 15 trades a day, then you are able to exhaust this limit. And you can simultaneously punch 10 orders, uh, and you can take hundreds of screenshots, 500s of notes. So you can attach one notes with one trade. That's right now the matrix is. And you this is a context balance. This is the upcoming feature that I'm planning. And as you can see, this is my history. So I purchased it today only. When I signed up, I got this free. Then I transitioned to the uh, advanced plan. Okay, I can extend the plan, I can upgrade the plan. You can also try the same thing, no issue. Now, once you sign up, once you register, you will get $100,000 for sure. Okay, so this is what I have to tell you. And also, I will give one more option for a feedback, so that you guys can give me feedbacks, that what features that I can add in this trading application, or what features I can remove, or what is complicated thing, how can I ease out the user experience, all those things. So guys, help me out in this trading journey. Let's make this platform one of the best platform out there for practice. So I'm also practicing. You guys also can practice, and one day we will definitely punch a trade in the real world, and with full confidence. So let's start today's trading session. Very much talk. Yeah. So let me see once that I'm live or not. Guys, you can subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. Where is my channel, guys? Um. Okay. Um. How can I show you my channel? Let me show you my channel. So this is my channel name, guys. Cozy Trader. You can subscribe it now. Although I am live now. and it's nice. Can also see in my phone that I'm live. Nice. So I'm just putting my phone here and giving you time to do the basic thing like subscribe it, whatever you want. If you don't want, then it's okay. Just come here to uh, to to use this application, because although if you want any free plans more, then you can just ping me. I will definitely extend your plan until there is a heavy load. So let's start the trading journey. Before jumping into any trading, we have to analyze where the market is going. For this, we have to do a top-down approach, basically zooming out the picture and seeing where the market is going. So I will definitely do this. So for this, the best thing is you can pick a higher time frame, and this is by default. That's what I'm talking. This is a free version of trading. So some of the indicators are by default. What I use is these two indicators. EMA 9 and 15. I will tell you the difference between 9 and 15. Just give me a moment. So guys, the difference between 9 and 15 is the one which have 9 length, that is blue one, is basically closer to the candles, and the one which is 15 EMA is basically is far away from the candles. What this 9 and 15 means? 9 means this is the average of previous 9 candles. The price, whatever the mean price of 9 uh, candles are, and 15 means whatever the mean price of previous 15 candles. So moving average exponential, like exponentially measuring the average. That's what the full form means, right? Now, so it will basically what EMS shows you, it shows you the direction in the market moving. If the EMA is in downward direction, then market is in the downward trend. And if the EMA is in the sideways direction or is in a straight line, that means market is stationary or consolidating or resting, and you don't have to punch the trade in the resting, because as a scalper we have to find the momentum, and momentum only comes when we see the slope of a EMA, that it is upward or downward. So slope matters a lot in this trading journey, right? Now what we will do, mm, we have seen that EMA is in downtrend in the 4-hour candle, but now it is taking. Let's see what is happening at daily time frame. So you can see in daily time frame market is quite weak for past couple of days, like see 15 Jan and today's 26 Jan. For the last 10 days market is in lower lows, like it is making downward momentum. But as you can see, there is a buyers present over here, like this these are the buyers, and there might be buying started from here also. So there is still 2 to 3 thousand gap that market can fulfill, and then buying can start. Or if market respects this trend line, this is the trend line that market is trying to make, and you can see this is the exact point where the this red candle reversed, or we are witnessing um, this green candle as well, which is basically this buyer zone. So we have to be a little bit cautious and careful that how uh, the market is performing. Although we know that there is a momentum in the downward direction, then we definitely is in the downward direction. Our mindset, our biasness is little bit in the downward direction, but we have also respect this pullback also. Like there's a buying zone, and this is from exactly this point a buying start, and it is a strong buying, not a low buying or something like that. So it is a strong buying, and we have to respect that. Now um I'm putting this blue lines here only because it will not help in shorter time frame, but it will definitely help in longer time frame to analyze what the picture is going on, right? And you can see that this is at 4-hour candle. You can see this area where sellers are active, where sellers are constantly pushing the market in downward direction, right? Now, so that's how I'm started drawing zones, that where the sellers are active, where the buyers are active, that you have to identify the pattern and the buyers and sellers in the market, right? Now Let's see what is happening at 1 hour time interval. So this is the pullback that is coming right now. Okay, and we have to see that if this pullback lasts long, then it definitely come to this point also. If either it's a strong pullback, otherwise it will consolidate and uh, or move in sideways direction. So let's see what is happening in 15-minute time interval. So in 15 minutes, you can see that there is no such trading setup right now, because this is, as you can see, this is downward trend, and then this market reversed. So we have to plan accordingly that how market is gonna perform. And at 5 minutes, you can see the market is a lot of noise in this market right now, right? So we have to see that where the market is going. So this, as you can see, this is the buying zone, guys, where the market is trying to buying the stuff, and it is continuing in the forward direction, right? Okay. So let's see. We have to mark the sellers zone as well, and this is where the sellers are active. So let's see what market will behave at this point. So these are the sell. This is the sellers area, right? And market is in great momentum in the upside. If it breaks the zone, then we are definitely in bullish side and will punch the trade in the up direction, right? But as of now, you can see that this is very low zone consolidating phase, and now the market is trying to move in the up direction. So we have to be early adopter of the trend, right? Early adapter. Let me do one more thing is to put up. Okay, so this is really great candle that has. I think whoever wants to jump in, they can easily jump in and can take 100 to 200 points, because this candle is quite bullish. So this is very strong candle, and although like market may respect this zone as well, because this is a heavy selling zone. From here, the selling started heavily, so we have to be a little bit cautious at this zone. But this candle is alone at 453 points candle, and the buying is very aggressive, as you can see. So we can also plan a trade accordingly, but before jumping into trade, we have to find the what exactly the stop loss would look like. So it's almost 150 points if I try to jump in here. Right now the market is making the U-turn. So if market crosses this point, I will definitely jump in again. So this is basically what market is trying to do is there is a concept of false breakout as well, because after seeing this huge big green candle, many buyers like me and start jumping in by seeing, because this is a high great momentum in the up direction, and as soon as they jumped, market may take their stop losses and flush them out. So I am jumping as well with one Bitcoin, and see, let me see what my uh, so it is 88796. 88796. Somewhere here I jumped in, and my stop loss would be at low of this candle, that is 190 points. That is big stop loss. But I have to plan the target accordingly. I also jumped in by seeing this green candle. Although, like, if market trap us, it will definitely do. We can't do anything. But I just jumped in the momentum only, because after seeing this huge buying, uh, after a long time, I jumped in this trade. The maximum stop loss that I will take is $150, and my target is this. Still 1 minute to close this candle, and the closing is very important. How this candle is going to close. I'm putting my cursor on the cross because I don't want to take much loss in this. 40 more seconds. It is giving me huge loss, guys. Closing is not good of this candle. This is not great candle that closed. Um, Still waiting for 12 more seconds. I squared off my position because I don't think this is going to work, right? So that's why I took $133 loss in this particular trade, because after see this is also taking my stop loss, because this is dozy candle, which is not good, and this is definitely uh, taking all the stop losses of all the buyers, and this might make a big red candle also. So we got trapped in the first trade only. Guys, this is very bad. I jumped in again by seeing this. Let me see what my stop loss looks like again. Again, it's 170 points. My analysis is that that market will definitely make a move in up direction. Why I punch this trade? Because I feel that this there is a high momentum in the up direction, and this is a pullback, and I might take took a pullback, or so there might be a chance that it can move in the up direction. That's why I punched this trade, and let's see how this gonna perform. I will definitely cut off my trade if it crosses $100 again. So there might be some rejection, guys, from top again and again. This candle will close in 50 seconds. Again, the closing is not good, guys. I have to square off my position again. I squared off my position again. So today the total stop loss is $259, and we have to wait, guys. I think I am a little bit in hurry, because this is where the sellers are active, and they might pushing the uh, the market in a downward direction, that I have to be take care of. I got trapped twice today. I think the first time it is obvious that I got trapped. The second time is unnecessary that I took the trade in that direction, although the market is moving in a downward direction. That's where I have to keep my patience, and see the penalty is $259.60. See, market went almost 327 points down. Now it is on EMA. Let's see if it will take the EMA support or not. If it will not take the EMA support, then we will plan uh, trade in the downward direction as well, because this is a selling zone. If it is obviously the selling zone, then we have to shift our mindset. I'm still bullish in this trade if the market crosses this, and I am bearish if the market crosses this EMA. I am bullish if the market crosses this upper this high of this current candle. This candle is not respecting the EMA anymore. Okay, respecting a bit. Let's see what is happening at other cryptocurrencies. Same thing, and they also have a selling zone from this point. Same thing, same graph. Can also punch the trade in Solana as well. But market is not giving a chance because this is a selling. It is respecting the selling zone, and it trapped all the buyers that enter in this big green candle, and now they are flushing out. So there are no more original buyers. Only sellers are there, and we have to switch our mindset in the selling side, guys, because this literally this two three red candles ate this big green candle. So we are again at this point. Let's see what What will be the next candles look like? Market is great downward side, guys. It is literally we will punch the last trade. Let's see what will happen then in that trade, because we already lost two trades, and according to our rules we will punch only three trade. Still we have risk appetite of 100 more dollars. We have to see the direction in the market is moving. We have to find a quick scalp. These four candles literally ate this green candle, and there are no more buyers present in this whole arena, and market is still making move in the downward direction. I'll jump with point 0.5, point 0.5 in the downward direction. Let's see. This is a quick scalp. I just took out the scalp. So I $116. Although like I'm not that much confident in this trade, but I know if it breaks this, then it make will make a huge candle, and that's what exactly that did. Is why I took this trade in the downward direction is that because after seeing this four candles in the downward direction, it literally ate all this green candle, right? Now after this, and there is a breakout, sudden breakout of this green zone also, where the buyers are present, little bit of buyers, and this is the stop loss of all the buyers who are present at here, and this suddenly makes 442 candle. If I literally jumped with the whole quantity, I should have made 400 $500 in this trade, but I was little worried about my trading setup. That's why I jumped with half quantity only. Now you can see Solana also break out in the downward direction, and in BTC you can see that it reached to. So this is literally the selling zone that we anticipated. Although like this came after a very long time, but this is literally a heavy zone, and it market fall from here to here almost 1000 point, 1155 points. Now it is bit early to now it is bit late also, and bit early in the, and if it didn't respect this area, then there might be a huge sell off. We will definitely take this target as a next setup, but let's see. The game is all about patience, and we lost the patience in the first two trade, but it's fine. Now we have to wait for next setup. Well, this is already a big move. We captured a little bit of this, but not the entire move with not full confidence. Still, it is moving in the downward direction only. I'm thinking that there are in Solana, there is a little bit. There's a buyer's area at this point as well, but this is a huge sell off, guys. Huge sell off. Nineteen more seconds to close this candle. I will definitely jump in the downward direction if it closes uh, like this only. I will definitely jump in the downward direction, and my next target will be this candle, because nothing is there to close this. Although like this is one thing. I will jump here. What are you doing, Vivek? Guys, I broke two rules and I'm squaring off my position. Sorry, squaring off my session right now, because this is not good. This is not good way of trading. I just jumped in and jumped back, and to because four trades out of that I won only one time, and still this is a huge loss in three trades. That's fine, but I'm what I did here is it's very wrong. I jumped in and jumped out, which is not my trading style is. I should have waited for my stop loss to hit, or should have waited for my target. But unnecessary jumping in, jumping out, meaning that I am in FOMO, and FOMO is not great in training. In trading, it will definitely wipe out my account in the long run. And I committed uh, two mistakes today, and I don't want to repeat this again. But after seeing this candle, my mind is saying that market will definitely make another move in downward direction. Should take risk. I'm shorting again, and let this time I will definitely follow the risk reward. And 451 is my entry short trade. 451, 451. Somewhere here I have shorted 448, 451. This one is my trade, and my I will take definitely $95 risk only, and my target is this. So my risk is $95, and my target is, so I will take $100 of risk, and my target is big. So it hit my stop loss. $99. I punched out my trade at $99. What I'm thinking is I'm just seeing this. This might follow this red candle, but it is not following. So so guys, let's square off this session for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Although like this is not a good session at all. I'm sorry. Uh, I'm sorry to myself only. I don't know my future being me will forgive me or not, but this is unnecessary risk and reward that I am following. Although like by seeing this big green candle, I jumped in the upside. By seeing this red candle, I jumped in the downward side. Although like on the in both the trades, I got stopped out again and again. So I have to figure it out. Literally, I am doing the right thing or not. Still, it is inviting me in the downward direction. I've sold again. Let's see where I sold this time. 87582. So I am bit short again. 87582. 87582. This is my selling position. I will definitely take again but what I'm trying to do, I'm trying little bit stop losses, small stop losses, and my target is literally very big. This might be my trading style as well. Like I'm taking very small risks, literally small risk, and trying to jump and get the most of them out of my trade. This time again, I'm getting close to stop loss, and I stopped out again. Definitely, I did over trading today. Market is inviting again me that I will go in downward direction. I will go in downward direction, and it will again taking my stop loss. See, market is going in downward direction, but it took my stop loss and now it is moving in downward direction. I'm taking one more risk in downward direction. Let's wait for 7 more seconds to close this candle. I sold again. Same price might be. Again, it is approaching to our stop loss. I tried 4 to 5 times by giving small stop losses and trying to get big profit because my analysis is that market will move definitely in the downward direction because the momentum is great in the downward direction. We are getting trapped again and again. Candle closed very badly, guys. It is definitely taking a take our stop loss. The closing of the previous candle is not great. Closed in the green body, or the like market is in heavy selling zone. Maybe our entry is bit early. I don't know. Finally, the trade is moving in our direction after a long, long time. Again, cost to cost. Squaring off my trade, guys, because I don't think so. It will move in our direction. Tried so many times in going in a normal direction, but there is a buying pressure, and it already put us in a lot of. See, the market is taking a pullback because this is a buying zone. This is the green zone. This is buying zone. And from here, market reversed almost every time. This. After this heavy selling, market reversed, and after seeing this big green red candle, again market reversed. So right there, guys, we already took 7 trades today. Out of that, six we lost, and our total loss is $507, which is quite huge now. So after so many trades, we finally realized that this is not our day. See you again, Vibro. See you again. You're playing with me today. Guys, let's square up the session. Today is not our day. Uh, Today literally I have to write notes, so many notes. This is false breakout in up direction. I jumped directly in FOMO without waiting for candle to close. This one, back to back trade, same logic as previous. Jumped to catch the long candle, but got trapped in breakout in false breakout. I'm not trading anymore, guys, today. So I'm ending the stream. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.